I got it! Oh, no!
Cleaning off the roof of my mom's place. Man, look how much shit was up here. The amount of dirt in this shit is. I mean, this is a good like 2 inches, 3. 5 hours later. Me, because I want this shit to look perfect, but there's no way in hell this is gonna look perfect. Let me back up so y'all can see. And my OCD was kicking in right there in the beginning, and I realized how long it took to get it to look like this. So yeah, that wasn't happening all the way, but it looks way better. And